Hello, good morning friends. Today we can discuss about the morphological image processing. And before starting this morphological image processing, I give my self introduction. I am Professor R.B. Vagasia, working as a assistant professor in EC and electrical department, Dr. Subhas Technical Campus. So that morphological image processings. So first one is mathematics morphology, that one used to extract the image component that are the useful in the representation and description of the region shapes such as boundary extraction, skeleton, convex hull, morphological filter, thinning and prunings, that are the representation by using a mathematic morphologics. So basically we can utilize the 6 mathematical representation in mathematics morphologies. So that mathematical framework used for the pre-processing, and the step including that pre-processing is the noise filtering and shape simplification, and then second step that when the enhancing the object structure, and that can be done by using skeletonization and convex hull, and third step that is known as a segmentization, and that one is the watershed, and last one is the quantitative description, and that quantitative description include the area and perimeters. So that two function can be representation, that is our Z2 and Z3. The set in the mathematics morphological represents the object in an image, that is the binary image. So in case of the binary, dear we all students, we know about that. In case of the binary, we are getting the two results, one is 0 and second one is 1. So 0 can be indicate the white and 1 can be indicate with the blacks. The set elements of the set of the coordinate x and y of the pixel belongs to that the object, and that is known as a Z2 coordinator. And in Z3 coordinator, that can be represented as a grayscale image. The element of the set is coordinate x, y of the pixel belongs to the object, and the gray level that can be represented as a Z3 elements. This is the basic set theory. So in these theorems we have to use the 5 different figures, right? The figure A indicate the two set of A and B. This is the figure A, and we have to indicate with the two set A and B. And the figure B, that is the union of A and B, right? So this is the union of A and B. In figure C, that is the intersection of figure A and figure B. And the figure D, that is the complements of A, and last one is the figure E, that can be represent the A minus B, that means the A difference with the B. This is the basic theory of the morphological image processings. Now that one is the reflection and translation. So the reflection and the translation can be represented by this function, that reflection will be B, that means the inside the bracket W belongs to minus B for the value of B is belongs to capital B, and the reflection that can be done, this one is the figure A representation of translation of A by Z, right? So that can be represented with the function of translation of A, means inside the bracket C belongs to alpha plus Z, where alpha belongs to capital A. In figure B, that is the reflection of B. This is the reflection of B and the set A from set B. So now we can use the basic logic or digital logic operation in morphological image processing. That is a 3 basic operation of digital. One is the AND operation, second one is the OR operation, and third one is the NOT operation, right? This is the result of NOT operation, this is the result of OR operation, and this is the result of AND operation. So we have to take the two variables p and q. So we have to utilize the two variables, means we are getting the possible combination of two input variables, that is our 2 raised to 2. So we are getting the possibility are 4s. So either we are take the p is 0 and the second one is q is also 0. Second case p is 0 and q is 1. Third case p is 1 and q is 0, and the last case both are the 1 1. Now we can discuss about the first case. If p is 0 and q is 0, that means p and q. So AND operation can be performed with the multiplication operation. So 0 to multiply with 0, we are getting the result is also 0. Now for the same inputs we can perform the OR operation. OR operation means p plus q. So we are getting the result is also 0. And third one is the NOT operation. NOT operation means the complements of any inputs. Now in this inputs we can applying the single input. So here we can find out the complements of p. So here is the value of p is 0. So we are getting the complements result is 1. Right. Now similar way, suppose that p is 0 and q is 1, means second possibility. So multiplication operation means AND operation, we are getting the result is 0. In case of the OR operation, and this means the result is 1, and the complements of p, again this one is 1. Similar way, find the last result 1 1. P is 1 and q is 1, right? So that p and q means we can perform the AND operation. So 1 multiply with 1, we are getting the result is 1. Now OR operation means p plus q, that is also result is 1, and the complements of p, that is the 0. So that is the basic operation, digital logic operation we can utilize in morphological image processing. So dear students, that same logic operation can be represent by using a different image, and it is clear about that. First figure A, and we have to perform the NOT operation. So inside the square that can be represented with the black, and the outside the square that can be represented with the white. So that complements means we can perform the operation of NOT GET. So we are getting the complements. So inside the square is converted into the white, and the outside the square that can be converted into the blacks. So similar, the second operation, that is the value of A, second one is the B, and we can perform the operation of AND. Dear student, we know about that AND operation is the multiplication operation. So A multiply with the B means the common portion we are counting. So that well, here we are getting the AND operation, and result is the common portion is like that. Now next one is, that is the OR operation. So that is the value of A, this one is the B, and we can find the OR operation. So OR operation is, dear student, we know about that OR operation is, that is the addition operation, and the addition operation means A plus B. So that we have to take the value of every portion of A and B. So that is the result. Otherwise we also called as a that is the A and B operation, that can be represented as a intersection, and that one is the representation A or B represent as a union operation. Third one is the similar way, that is the value of A, that is the value of B, and we can perform the XOR operation. XOR is nothing but the complement of OR operation. Otherwise output of OR get, it is given to that again NOT gets. So we are result the complements of the OR gets, and then find the NOT and AND gets, right? So that NOT A, NOT and B. So first one we can find the complements of this image, that image is A, and then find the AND operation. So we are getting this one NOT and AND combine operation. So now the structuring elements, the structuring elements is nothing but the small set of probe the image under the study. We can study about the entire image, and we are counting the small set of the probes. So first one we can that image can be descriptive to convert into the smaller sets. For each structuring elements define the origins, right? So every structuring element we can find the origins. Shape and size must be adapted to the geometric property of each objects, right? So this one we are counting the small set of the prob under the structuring elements. Now the basic idea regarding the structuring elements: in parallel for each pixel in binary image, check if structuring element is satisfied or not. The output pixel is set either 0 or 1 depending on use of this operation. 0 can be represented with the gray scale and 1 can be represented with the black dots, right? So basic morphological operation, we are use the 7 mathematical or a basic morphological operation. First one is erosion, second one is dilation. So in case of the erosion and dilation, we can discuss about the latter that when describes, we can see the image of what effect should be created by using that erosions, and the dilation is that, right? So that that combining to opening and closing, so combining that will be equivalent to that keep the general shape but smooth with respect to opening is equivalent to that objects, and closing that process is equivalent to background of any image. So now defining the erosion. Erosion, does the structuring elements fit the set? The erosion of a set A by structuring element B, all Z in A such that B is in A when the origin of B equal to Z. That is the function of the erosion. The A erosion B equal to inside the bracket Z, where is the Z is the erosion of B union of A, right? This is the example we are counting the erosions. So we have to take the value of A and B. So then find out the different value of that can be represented with the A0, A1, A2, A3 up to A7, and similarly B that can be represented with the B0 and B1. B0 means 0 0 and B1 means 1 1. So that one we can find the A erosion B. So in case of the A erosion B is we are getting the 3 components. First is 0 3 1 3 and 2 and 3. So that can be represented with that sections, right? So this is the example of erosions, and this is the structuring element of this given image, right? Again the second example of erosion, and this one is the structuring elements for these erosions. Now another and most important representation of erosion, that one is the A erosion B. For this way we have to use, this is the figure A, the set of A and the square of structuring element of figure A, and now in figure C that is the erosion A by erosion B, right? So inside the part that will be A erosion B, that can be represented with the shaded area. Now along the structuring element, so that erosion A using this elements, so we are getting the erosion will be smaller. Here we are getting that erosion by that shaded area. So that function of A erosion B equal to Z, that is the B belongs to Z upset of A inside the brackets. Now dilation. Does the structuring element hit the set? The dilation of a set A by structuring element B, all Z in A such that the B eats A when the origin of B equal to Z. This is the function of dilation. A dilation B that can be represented with the Z. Z is the reflection of B intersect with A does not belongs to 5. So we are considering this is the example, and sometime in actual examination this is also asked this examples, right? So we are counting the different value of a and b. A is considered the 6 elements and b is considered the 2 elements. Now we can find the deletion of a, deletion of b. So we are getting the 8 elements, and this is the structuring elements for this one given image. So the representation of deletion by using this image, we are use the number of smaller sectors and find the structuring element for the dilation. So again, representation of this is the example of dilation. In figure A, that can be represent the set of A. Figure B, that is a square structure of elements, and C, this is the dilation of A by B, right? So it can be represented with the shaded area. Now elongate the structuring of element and dilation of A, that can be represented again the shaded area. So that the figure A, the A dilation B, B is the structuring elements that can be represented with this function, the complement, the reflection of B, that will be a intersects of A does not belongs to 5, right? So that the dilation, that when the bridging gaps, dilation is nothing but it is the bridging gaps, right? So suppose that some words we have to return that in this format, and that is the sample text of poor resolution with broken characters, right? In figure A, that is the resolution is poor and the character will be also the broken. Now that structuring elements, this one is given that, and the dilation of A can be represented by this figure and the broken segment where the joints. So this is the most useful, that what is the erosion and dilation. Now we have to see in that example of erosion by using a different image as well as the different mathematical operation. Now we are concluding that what is the erosion and what is the dilation. That is the basic components for the morphological image processing. So erosion is nothing but removal of structures of certain shape and size that given by structuring elements, and dilation is, this is the filling of walls of certain shape and size that is given by SC, right? One process is the removal of certain shape and size, and that is known as erosion, and dilation, that is the filling of walls by certain and shape and size, and both the case that is depends on the structuring elements, right? So both the process are reverse. One is the removal of structuring for the certain shapes, means we create the walls, and the dilation we can fill the walls with a certain shape and size, right? So the combining of erosion and dilation, we wanted remove the structure and fill the walls, right? And without affecting the remaining parts. It was the most important factor. Either we are removing the some parts, means we can done the process with the erosion, or we can fill the walls, means we can done with the process with the dilation. So one thing is always remember in our minds, we can never affecting the remaining parts of the image, and the solution is the combine erosion and dilation using the same structuring elements, right? So erosion is the elements of irrelevant details, right? So in this image of square size, that can be represented as a 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 15 pixel of the size. In figure B, there is a erosion of A with square structuring elements of 1 and 13 pixel of the side B, and the figure 13, there is a dilation of figure B with the same structuring elements. So structure elements V that can be a 13 cross 13 pixels of gray level 1. Now what is the opening? The erosion followed by the dilation that denoted by the opening. So A opening B equal to that one is the function, so that A erosion B and that is a resultant terms that we are getting the dilation with B. So that another characteristic of morphological image processing that is the opening, and opening is nothing but the function can be represented by opening is erosion followed by the dilation that can be denoted with the circle, right. So A opening B equal to A erosion B and the resultant terms we are getting the dilation with B. So that is the opening means nothing but the eliminate protrusions, breaknecks and smoother the contours. So this is the representation of openings. So figure this is the set of A, this is the set of B, and the result of opening of A means first we can find the A erosion B and the resultant terms with the A opening B. This is the A opening B. So another example of this opening is there. So this one is the representation of opening function by using the different method. So figure A represent the structuring element V rolling along the inner boundary of A. This is the structuring elements and this is the boundary of A, and indicates the origin of B. In figure C, the heavy lines is outer boundary. Heavy lines is the outer boundaries of the openings, and last one is the complete opening shaded. So in case of that way, the A opening B equal to A erosion B and the resultant terms with the dilation of B, right. So this is the function of openings. Now that one is the function of closings. The deletion followed by the erosion, that will be reverse process of the opening. In previous one is the erosion is followed by the deletion, and it can be denoted with the this one is dark dot, right. So A closing B means first one is deletion followed by the erosion. So A deletion B and the resultant terms with the erosions. So this process, this characteristic is required for the smooth the contours, fuse the narrow breaks and long thin gulfs and the elements of small holes. This is the main function of the closing characteristics of morphological image processing, and fill gaps in this contour, right. These all are the application of closings. So now this is the basic example of closing process. So this is the set A, this is the set B, and the closing process, first we can follow the dilation A with respect to B, and the resultant is that one is A closing B. So another example of this closing process, this is the set A, this is the set B. Set B is nothing but the structuring elements, means we can find the smaller part of this image, and the first one we have to find, this one is the A deletion B and the resultant terms with we are getting the closings A closing B, right. So in this way another representation of closing. So that one figure A is the structuring element B rolling on the outer boundary of set A, right. See, this is the B and this is the A. B is rolling the outer boundary of A, and in figure B the heavy line is outer boundary of the closing. This one is the outer boundary of closing, and the complete closing, this means the shaded. So that A closing B equal to A deletion B and the resultant terms with these deletions of B. This is the properties of opening and closing for the digital morphological process. First one is A opening B is a subset of A, right? This is the most important factors. A opening B is a subset of A. If C is a subset of D, then C opening B is subset of D opening B, right? Again I repeat this property, if the C is subset of D and then C opening B is subset of D opening B. And third and important, with the A opening B and the resultant with this again opening B, so entire equal to A opening B. Now the property of closing, if the A is a subset of A closing B, right? If C is a subset of D and then C closing B is a subset of D closing B. And third one is property A closing B and the result is also closing with B, so that we are getting the A closing B. Now this duality property of morphological image processings. This is opening and closings are dual with respect to complements and reflection, right? So that opening and closings are nothing but it is a dual with respect to complements and reflections. So that find the duality is A with this one is the hard circle is represent with the duals with the complements, and so that A complements with the representation of dualities by the reflections. So this one is the opening and this one is the closings, equivalent conversions, right? So that opening and closing are dual with respect to the complements and reflections, right? So we have to represent this one is the duality by using a different image. So this is the set A, this is the A erosion with B, and they find the reflection of B, and this one is the complements of A. So this one is the A minus B means this is the A erosion B, and find out the complements of this image, and they find the A complements with B means the dilation with B. Now this is the example of morphological image opening and closings. We have to use the different figures for the representation. The structuring elements is small in the small circle as shown in the various positions, right? And this is the structuring elements we have to shown in the different variables for the positions. This is the A figure A, and find the A erosion B. In this figure we have to find the A closing B, so that will be equivalent to A erosion B and all result is dilation with B. Similarly A dilation B, that one is the A closing with B, so that is the similar result with the A dilation with B and the resultant with erosions. So useful that open and close. This is the set of A image. This is the resultant of opening of A. That opening of A means the removal of small portents and thin connectors, right? And this is the closing image. So that is the closing of A, the removals of holes, right? So here we are now getting the no holes. Here is that. Here is no holes are absent. So another application of the morphological image processing is filtering, right? So applying the filterings, and we have to get the different result for the dilation, erosions and the opening and closings. So next property for morphological image processing, that heat or mass transformation HMT. Find the location of one shape among a set of shape and the temple matchings, right? So that composite structuring elements, the object part B1 and the background part B2. So does B1 the first object, while simulation B2 means the object that fits the backgrounds. So that heat or mass transformation can be represented with this function, and the representation can be done by using a different image. In the figure A, there is a set of A, this is the figure A, that is a set of A, and A windows W's and the local background of X with respect to W, that means the W minus X that can be represented in image B. In image C, that is a complements of image A, and figure D, erosion of A by X, and last one is erosion of A complements B by W minus X, and F is the intersection of D and E image. So this is the location, so we are getting the heat. This is the function of heat or mass transformations. Now the boundary extraction. So this is the set of A and this is the structuring elements of B, so that in figure C, A eroded by B, and the structure D, that boundary given by the set of difference of A and the erosion of A, so that the boundary extraction equal to A minus, otherwise it can be also represented as a difference inside the bracket A erosion B. This is the example of this one is a boundary extraction, right? So that simple binary can be represented with the one's representation, it will be white, and 0 that can be represented with the blacks. So now this one is the region fillings. So that in region fillings, that function can be represented with that x of k equal to inside the bracket x, that k minus 1 dilation with B and intersect of complements of A, where the k equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1, right? So that same function can be represented with this image. The figure A can be represent the set of A, figure B that is the complements of A, figure C that is a structuring element of B, and the figure D initial point inside the boundary, and E and H various step that is the final result can be added to that next step, right? So we are getting the different image for the different region filling process, and we can put the different value of k, and we are getting the x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 up to x of k, and up to that value of k we are getting the different images. So that this is the example of region fillings for this binary image, right? So in figure A, that is the binary image, that white dot inside one of the region is starting point for the region filling algorithm, right? So that black dot that can be represented with the 0, and white dot that can be represented with the 1. So that figure B, the result of filling that region of C, and the figure C result of filling the all the regions. Now the extraction of connected components. So this is a function of x of k for the extraction of this all the components. So we are counting that inside the bracket x of k minus 1 dilation with B, and the resultant of intersects with A, where the k is 1, 2, 3. So we have to utilize the different image. This is the A showing the initial point P, and all the shadows can be represent with that P. This is the structuring elements for this one, and this one is E is the final for the extracted function. This is another example of this image. So here we have to find out the connected components and equivalent to number of pixels connected for these components. Now another and most important characteristics, otherwise it is also known as a function of the morphological image processing, is the convex hull, right? Convex hull is nothing but a set of A is said to be convex if the straight line segment joining any 2 points in A lies entirely. So this is the function of convex hull. The convex hull C of A equal to that is the I equal to 1 to 4 and D of I. So in figure A, the structuring elements can be represented with the B1, B2, B3 and B4, and the result of two conversion with the structuring elements shown in figure A to G and convex hull in H, right? So we are taking the different value of I and we put that x01, x41, x22 like that, right? This is the result of limiting growth of convex hull algorithm to the maximum dimension of the original set of points algorithm, that vertical and horizontal directions. Now another characteristic of morphological image processing is thinning. Thinning is the morphological operation that used to remove the selected foreground pixel from the binary image, somewhat like erosion and openings, right? So thinning is nothing but it is used to remove the select foreground pixels from the binary image. That operation is similar to that erosion and opening, and the representation, the mathematical representation of thinning function is A thinning B equal to A difference inside the brackets A with the opening of B and equal to, that is A intersects of the result A opening B and find the whole complements. This is the function of thinnings. Now we have to represent this function in figure A. This one is the representation of, in figure A, the sequence of rotating structure elements used for this thinning, right? So this is the B1, 2, 3 up to B8, and figure B, this is the set of A, and in figure C there is the result of thinning with the first elements, and figure D, this is the result of thinning with the next 7 elements, right? And similar way, that figure J is the result of using the first elements. Again there are no change for the next 2 elements, and the last one is the result K, result of the convergence and the conversion of M connectivity, that can be represented in result I. Now thickening, so that can be represented A thickening B, so that A union B and the inside the function A opening B, right? So figure A is the represent set of A, this is the complements of A, and the result of thinning the complements of A is figure C, thickened, and set of object by in of figure D, and last one is the final result with a non disconnected points are there. Now skeleton. skeleton is the morphological skeleton is the representation of shape of binary image compute by means of morphological operator, right? So that one, the skeleton is the representation of binary image and that compute by the morphological operator, right? So it is nothing but that is the binary image, right? So this is the function of these skeletons, and we can simplify, and we are finally the result of the skeleton functions are there. So in this figure, this is the set A that can be represented with the various set of B, and the another set and another one is D are there. So that one is the figure 1 is the implementation of this skeleton function by that different characteristics. Now pruning. Pruning is also important mathematical operation for the morphological image processing. It is used as a complements to the skeleton and thinning algorithm to remove the unwanted parasitic components, right? So pruning is nothing but the complements of the skeleton and thinning algorithms and to remove the unwanted parasitic components. Suppose that x1 that one is the A complex B, similar way x2, x3, x4, right? So that x4 can be represented as a x1, that one is the union of x3, and x3 that can be represented as x2 illusion with H, and the intersects result terms with intersects with A. So this is the summary of the all morphological operation and their properties, right? First one is the translation, second one is the reflection. Translation, the function of translation equal to w equal to a plus z, where a belongs to capital A, right? And translation, the origin of A to point Z. Second characteristic, otherwise it is also known as a mathematical operation, reflection, that reflection of B equal to W, where W equal to minus B and B belongs to capital B. They reflect all the elements of B about the origin of these sets. Third one is the complements, and this one is the complements is W does not belongs to A, right? This is the set of point not in A. This is the how that can be work as a complements. Now the difference, so that A difference B, where W belongs to A, so that W does not belongs to B. The set of point that belongs to A but does not belongs to B. This is the operation of difference. Now fifth operation is dilution. So that is A dilution B. So Z, where the complements of Z intersect with A does not phi, right? Expand the boundary of A. Erosion, A erosion B, that can be represented with the Z, where B of Z subset of A contain the boundaries opening A opening B, so that A erosion B and the resultant terms with dilution of B. Smoother condition break narrow this isomers and eliminate the small isolate and set peaks. Now the closing can be represented A closing B, so that A dilation with B and the resultant term with erosion of B. Now heat or mass transformation, that function of A it HMT with B. So this is the function of heat and mass transformation. A erosion with B1, and that is so intersect with the resultant terms of complements of A erosion with B, right? So now the boundary extraction B of beta of A, this is the A difference of result of A dilation with B. Now boundary region fillings is x of k, that is the x of k minus 1 dilation with B and the intersects of A of complements. Fill a region in A and given point B in the region 2. Now connected components and connected component function of his representation, and find a connected components y in a given A to point B. Now convex wall is that one is the function, and we can put the different value of k equal to 1, 2, 3 up to k minus 1, and find the convex wall C of a set A, where the convex indicates the convergence in the sense that x of k. Another properties of this morphological image procession is operation thinning and thickening. This is the function of thinnings and thickenings, right? So thin set A, the first two step equation give the basic definition of thinnings, and the last two equation that denotes thinning sequence for structuring element. This method is normally used in practice. And thickness set A, the preceding comments on the sequencing structuring elements. The last one is the skeletons and the froning. This one is the two properties of morphological image processing. The skeleton that can be found with the function of skeleton of A, and the skeleton of A, this is the set of A. The last equation indicates that A can be reconstructed from the skeleton subset of S of K. In all three equations, k is the value of iterative step after which the set A erode to the empty step. The notation A dilation with k of B denotes the kth interaction of successive erection of A by B. And proning, that when be a result of different equation, that x4 is the x1 union x3, and x4 is the result of proning of set A. The number of times that first equation is applied to obtain x1 must be specified. The structuring elements V are used for the first two steps, and this third equation H denoted the structuring elements B, right? So these all are the characteristic or a mathematical operation of morphological image processings.